Hi, and welcome to another video from the collection of website builder guides and video tutorials. In this short video, you are going to learn how to add Contact Us form to any page on your WordPress website using Elementor Page Builder. This will enable your audience to reach you via your website. This could be used to create Contact Us form, quotation form, or any other form that is relevant to your website and will prompt and allow your audience to reach you. To add contact form to your website, go to WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, Add New. In a keyword search, type WP Forms. Choose Contact Form by WP Forms and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Once activated, you'll be able to create your first form. Click on Create Your First Form and choose Simple Contact Form. Similar to the Elementor Page Builder, WP Forms will let you to rearrange, add, edit text displayed on your contact form, or delete sections. Once you amend your form and happy the way it will display on your website, click on Settings, and in the Send to Email Address tab, fill in the email address that you would like to receive notification from your customers via your website. You can change the email subject line, just so you can recognize it when they come through to your email address. Click Save and return to your website. Choose the page that you would like to insert that form into and Edit Page. Add New Section and drag in WP Forms available within Elementor. Select the form that you've created and click Update to save it. As you can see, this has taken effect and your contact form added to your website. To test your contact form to make sure it's being applied correctly, go to your website, choose the page that your form is inserted in, fill in any information just as a test, and click Submit. Now go to the email address that you've provided to receive notifications and check your messages from your audience. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you in my next video.